In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Nordstrom account. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just checking in for the first time, accessing your account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. At the top of the window, you'll see the address bar. Enter the web address, Nordstrom. This will take you directly to the Nordstrom online homepage where you can access a plethora of fashion items, styles, and more. Browsing is tempting, but let's focus on logging you in first. Once the Nordstrom homepage has loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Sign In button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will lead you to a secondary menu where you get the option to either sign in or create a new account. We're going to choose Sign In, Create Account. After selecting this option, you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Here you'll notice two fields, one for your email address and another for your password. Let's begin by filling in your email address, the one that you used during your account registration. Be sure to enter it carefully. Typos can easily lead to frustration. After you've entered your email address, you will notice a next button. Clicking next will advance you to the next part of the login process. This is where you'll be asked to enter your password. As always, it's good practice to double check what you've typed. Passwords are case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on unless part of your password requires it. Now comes the final step. Once you've entered your password, look for the sign in button on the page and click on it. If all your credentials are entered correctly, you'll be directed into your Nordstrom account where you can view your past orders, track your shipments, or update your preferences. Remember, keep your account information secure, be cautious about logging in on public computers, and ensure you log out afterward. If you ever forget your password, there's always an option to reset it on the login page, and there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Nordstrom account with access to your profile. You're now free to explore new styles, make purchases, and manage your shopping experience with ease. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.